Ever wondered how your Instagram selfies or Facebook posts can skyrocket your website traffic? Imagine turning every like and share into a visitor to your site. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Let me show you how. Stick around, because I'm about to reveal the secrets to transforming your social media activity into an SEO traffic powerhouse. Ready to level up? Let's dive in. Welcome to Online Money Magnet, the place where we turn complex digital marketing strategies into fun and easy to digest content. Before we get started, don't forget to check out the links in the description below for all the resources mentioned in this video. And hey, if you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's get those algorithms working in our favor. The big deal with SEO and social media. First things first, let's talk about why social media is so crucial for SEO. Think of it as a match made in digital heaven. Social media helps you engage directly with your audience, and the more engagement you get, the more search engines love your content. It's a win-win. Imagine your website is a fabulous little bakery. You've got the best cupcakes in town, but if no one knows about it, you won't sell one. SEO is like putting your bakery on the main street where everyone can see it. Social media is like getting your friends, family, and that friendly neighborhood influencer to rave about your cupcakes. Combine them, and you've got a recipe for success. Creating killer content. Now, let's sprinkle some sugar on this and get started. First up, creating killer content. Think quality over quantity. You could churn out a post every 5 minutes, but if it's just May, it won't do you much good. Think about what your audience really wants. Maybe mouth-watering recipes, behind-the-scenes bakery stories, or a guide to the best coffee pairings? And don't forget, people love stories. Tell them about the time you almost burned down the bakery trying a new recipe. Or share a heartwarming story about a customer who loved your cupcakes so much they ordered them for their wedding. Make it personal, relatable, and engaging. Engaging with your audience. Next, engaging with your audience. Don't just post and ghost. Engage. Reply to comments, ask questions, and get conversations going. When someone tags you in a post or story, give them a shout out. Make your audience feel valued, and they'll keep coming back for more. And who doesn't love free stuff? Run fun contests and giveaways to boost engagement. Ask your followers to share their favorite cupcake flavor, post a picture of their best baking fail, or tag a friend who needs to try your cupcakes. This not only increases engagement but also expands your reach. Oh, and hashtags? They're like the sprinkles on your social media posts. Use relevant hashtags to increase your visibility. Don't go overboard with a gazillion hashtags, a handful of well-chosen ones will do the trick. And hey, create a unique hashtag for your brand, it's like your secret ingredient. Utilizing the right tools. Now, let's talk about some tools that will make your life a whole lot easier. First up, Surfer SEO. Think of it as your personal SEO chef. It helps you create content that not only tastes good but ranks high on search engines. It analyzes top-performing pages and gives you the ingredients, keywords, structure, etc. to bake the perfect post. Sweet, right? Next, we have Mangools. It's like having a GPS for your SEO journey. It offers a suite of tools that help you find the best keywords, analyze your competition, and track your rankings. With Mangools, you'll never get lost in the SEO wilderness again. Then there's Content Studio. It's your social media manager on steroids. It helps you discover, create, and share the best content. Plus, it lets you schedule posts, monitor performance, and collaborate with your team. It's like having an extra pair of hands in the kitchen. And finally, Metricool. The ultimate analytics tool. It shows you how your content is performing across all your social media platforms. You can track metrics, analyze data, and even create custom reports. With Metricool, you'll always know what's hot and what's not. Understanding algorithms. Alright, let's decode the mysterious algorithms. Each social media platform has its own algorithm that decides which content gets seen. The key is to understand what these algorithms are like. On Facebook and Instagram, engagement is king. The more likes, comments, and shares your posts get, the more people will see them. So, make your posts as engaging as possible. Ask questions, create polls, and encourage your followers to interact with your content. On Twitter, timing matters. The more recent your tweet, the more likely it is to be seen. So, tweet often and at times when your audience is most active. And don't forget to use those hashtags. LinkedIn loves content that strikes a balance between professional and personal. Share industry insights, personal stories, and professional achievements. Engage with your network by commenting on their posts and sharing relevant content. Analyzing and adapting. Just like you'd keep an eye on your cupcakes in the oven, keep an eye on your social media metrics. Track likes, shares, comments, and website traffic. This will help you understand what's working and what's not. Remember, the digital world is always changing, so should your strategy. If a particular type of post is performing well, do more of that. If something's not working, tweak it or try something new. Stay flexible and be ready to adapt. Look at what successful brands are doing. What kind of content are they posting? How are they engaging with their audience? You don't have to copy them, but you can draw inspiration and learn from their success. Conclusion. Alright, folks. Using social media for SEO traffic isn't hard, it's more like baking a cake. With the right stuff, a good recipe, and a little love, you can make something truly delicious. Remember, it's all about creating killer content, engaging with your audience, using the right tools, understanding algorithms, and constantly analyzing and adapting. And speaking of tools, why not give Surfer SEO, Mangools, Content Studio, and Metricool a try? They're all free to try and come with no commitment. Just think of them as your secret ingredients to SEO success. Happy baking, and may your social media be ever in your favor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.